Yeah, finally came in.
11:30. We're off by a half hour.
This is the National Weather Service office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the Know All Hazards Radio public order system on station KHB47 from Montville, Connecticut. During potentially dangerous weather situations, hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur, even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in northern and eastern Connecticut: Hartford, Middlesex, New London, Talent and Wyndham, on Long Island in southeast New York, Suffolk, and in Rhode Island, Washington, including Block Island. Once again, this was only a test.